Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we are making a stuffed flank steak. So it's a pretty big one. It's probably about 2 pounds here. So we're gonna show you how to butterfly this. Take your knife and kind of slowly get in there, like what I'm doing here. And of course, what I always like to do with meats is I age them in my fridge for a few days before I use them, and then they just become way more tender and way better. See how I'm kind of slowly going there, like so. You don't want to make sure your knife is sharp. Yeah, and slowly follow the meat along. Yeah, and then we're gonna stuff this one. So stuffed flank steak. And if we do end up with like a little hole here or there, that's not a big deal. Yeah, close. I just want to go a bit further. Yeah, I'm thinking that's pretty good butterfly for the flank steak. Okay, now we're gonna stuff them up. Traditionally, it's like cheese and other stuff, so I'm just gonna do Beaumont style stuffed flank steak. So first thing I'm doing is Dijon mustard. I just had a thing. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be good. Dijon mustard, why not? It had so much good flavor. Mustard. It's like so. All right, now, so we'll start with our spinach. We're just gonna take some spinach leaves, a fair bit here, and layer them on, all like so. Oh, fresh spinach, why not use that? Okay, that's a good stuff. I just kind of remove the stems, and we just put these on here. That's the spinach, perfect, looking good. We're gonna do some rosemary, sage, and thyme in there, flavor it up. Cilantro, a little bit of that on there. Not a lot, because you don't want to overpower it, but a nice amount of cilantro in there, perfect. Got some lemon zest, toss that on there. Oh yeah, lemon zest, good flavor, looking good. Flank steak with a little bit of bacon. There we go. Voila. Now, some cheese. I'm going to start with some mozzarella cheese. Okay. Sprinkle some all over here, like so. Looking good. Now, fresh cracked pepper. Let's season everything up a little. Salt. Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, the good stuff. All right, that's it. Garlic powder. Now our flank steak, we're gonna slowly roll it up. There's a lot of filling in there, so see how this goes. Yeah, we're just gonna, let's roll it right up. Beautiful, like so. Yeah, perfect. We're just gonna roll the guy up here. It's like so. Nicely rolled up. Okay. Now we're gonna tie it up. Not like a super tight knot. Okay, but tight enough. All right. And it's good to practice the butcher knots. Okay. That. So the butcher knot is. So you have one string here. Go put it over here, over there, in through there. Done. I'll slow that down for you. I tie thousands of knots every day. Yeah, you want like strings about 1 inch apart, roughly. Okay. Yeah, be all right. He's aged well in my fridge, so time to use it up. What we'll do next. All right, now cut flank steak. Like so. Cut the end a little. Perfect. So toss them on the pan like so. Okay. Show you that. Try to get them the same thickness so they cook evenly. So we're gonna sear our stuffed flank steaks. Give them a good sear. Just on both sides. Yeah, until they're nicely goldenly brown. Yeah, just want to brown each side for a couple minutes. Yeah, I just want to give them a little kind of a browning sear. Nothing too crazy. I'm just sort of giving them a light sear because we can broil them to make them more crispy, so that's totally fine. And they'll totally cook in the oven at 400, so it's all good. Okay, so we'll toss them in the oven, 400 degrees, for about, I'm thinking about 20 minutes, and we should have some lovely, yummy, yummy flank steak. Toss the flanks in the oven. I'll toss them in there for now, and then about 20 minutes later, 25 minutes later, we'll take them out. Show you the lovely, yummy flank steak. Just pulled the flank steaks out. I kind of had the broiler on for about 10 minutes there, so they got a nice sear on top, and then that's your beautiful stuffed flank steak. We'll have to give them a try, right? And I would suggest definitely let them rest for a bit. Turned out good. They're looking really good. So it's always a good idea to let the flank steaks rest, right? And because the meat continues to cook, right? So just let them rest for a bit, and then give them a try. Flank steaks. Yummy. Little bit of sauce on there, the good stuff. All right, give the flank steak a try. You wouldn't know it was a flank steak because it's so tender. Lots of good flavor in there. I like that. I'll make these again soon. So good. And definitely serve it with some veggie sides. Click up there for the veggie sides. Stuffed flank steak. So good. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And we'll see you soon. Stuffed flank steak.